The 32nd staging of the Bell-Ziadie Memorial Fun Day will be held on Monday, with a host of former and current players along with celebrities taking part in an afternoon of football to raise funds towards basic schools and children's homes. Clive Busy Campbell is the organiser.
We will be honouring Mr. Carl Brown, former national player and national coach. Also, Mr. Courtney Campbell, FIFA referee, the only Jamaican to do the final in a Gold Cup. And young Nicholas Zadie, the son of Dennis, who has contributed a lot to the football. Seeing he has an academy and is a factory football, a lot of kids can come and develop their football here. This year, we will be having teams such as the Masters and Entertainers mixed up, the St. George's Invitational, the Christian Ambassadors, and also a Master and Celebrities. You know, you have a lot of entertainers who want to be a part, you have a lot of players who want to be a part. I remember the very first time when this game was to be played in '86, when they died, and I called Vivian Richards in England, and I said to him, I have to play a game. And he said to me, he will be there, and his brother, and they came. I'll never forget that. And that was way back in '87. So one love.
One of the honorees this year is Nicholas Zadie, son of Dennis Zadie.
I'm happy to be honored and happy to be recognized by the old boys. As Visa said, the St. George's old boys, I put my name forward to be recognized for my contribution to football in Jamaica. I think it's fitting that it's at this time. I got the love of the game from my father. You know, we're celebrating his life for the 32nd time, the Dennis Zadie and Jackie Bell Memorial match. So it's fitting. Carl has done so much. He was a national coach. I don't think I fit on that scale, you know. I've created football factory. I've played for the juvenile team, but not to the level of what Carl has contributed to football, certainly.
Olympian Jermaine Gonzalez has been a supporter of the charity games over the years, and this year he will again be lacing up his boots.
It's a worthy cause, because not only celebrating the life of great people like Mr. Bell and Zadie, but it's a worthy cause because proceed goes to basic schools and children homes. So, you know, we always contribute to that as well. I only play for Masters and Celebrity team, but I think this year we're entering a team with some younger guys who we expect, you know, to do a little bit better this time around.
The day will be more than just for football, but the promotion of peace will be high on the agenda.
We've been working along with the theme, one day, one goal, peace. And it's a pleasure to work with Busy Campbell and in the memory of these great footballers to work and use football as a tool for peace building. And the American Friends of Jamaica and the Violence Prevention Alliance are glad to support the activity and to continue the work all during the year. But we're encouraging everybody to come out on Monday. It's our Heroes Day, and we will be celebrating the heroes.
Football can unite us. I've seen it done before. El Salvador and Honduras, it was war, and football bring them together. So I will always be a part of this.